KZ26 Robots. Today we're gonna unbox the newest Nerf from sulit.com.ph. Right? Where is it? It's securely packaged. Alright. Now we're gonna unbox it. Oh, it's full of Stanford tape. Wait for it. Wait for it. And there is it. It's kind of squeezy. I don't know what Nerf is this. I surely it's a sword Nerf, alright? Wait for a minute. It's going to unbox this. Alright, wait for a minute. Oh. Wow, it's really a sword, man. Wow. Look at what I have. Nerf. Alright, it's a Nerf. Can see it. Nerf. The seals in there. And other one here. Alright, the Nerf is this. It's a Nerf sword. Nerf sword XD. Right, it's a Nerf sword. Can see it. How to use this. Ha, 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 ha. Bah! Right, can see it. There is it. It's a Nerf sword. Alright, it's a Nerf sword. Let's see, red Nerf Baraji. This is a pirate sword of Nerf. Right, I can use this in the coming video of the Nerf War, the arrival, Kevin, Baby Tino, and Baby KZ, or Billy Bubojo, Simon Ruedas, it's me, and PSP Player 12! Right? Consider, is it? It's really clean and bluey. Don't know why it's blue because I know it's an elite version. Because it's a blue one. Alright? Because it's a blue one, it's an elite version of Nerf. Alright? You can see all of this. Alright? I will have a sequence on you. You can see there are lots of Bugsby and Nerf in there. In this K-zone. Right? You can see it. That's Nerf. Alright, my K-zone. Alright. There is it. Alright. This is the end of the video. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. BBKZ26 Robot. Nerf War coming video coming soon. This